Hello good people and welcome to Excel Hacks for Productivity. One trick, 2 minutes to learn hours saved every day. In this short video, we'll learn how to get the day of the week with a very simple format in Excel. If you have a list of dates and you want to quickly find out the day of the week of these dates, you could highlight the list, press Ctrl 1, and in the format cells dialog box you come to custom. So all we are doing here is under type, we'll clean this and put in 4Ds. So 4Ds will give you the day of the week underlying each of these dates. A very quick way to check this instead of consulting your calendar. Please practice and add it to your list of Excel tricks. For more of these short videos, you can send ad to this WhatsApp number. We'll add you to our broadcast list. Send videos directly to you on Mondays and Fridays. All our old videos are on our YouTube channel, Excel Hacks for Productivity. Please visit and click subscribe for notification of new videos, or give us a like on our Facebook page. Thank you so much for watching.